Welcome to Feng Shui Lucky Star 9. Before Ghost Month begins, the most powerful thing you can do is spiritually cleanse your home. Think of it as energetic spring cleaning. You're releasing stagnant energy, negative imprints, and opening space for luck, peace, and spiritual protection. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to clear your home using simple but powerful Feng Shui and cleansing rituals. Step 1. Clean physically. Before any spiritual work, clean your space physically. Dust, wipe, mop, and declutter. Pay special attention to entryway, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom corners. Hidden clutter zones, drawers, under beds, etc. Physical clutter traps, stale energy, clean space, clean energy. Step 2. Salt bowl or saltwater cure. Now place salt bowls or saltwater cures in areas with illness or negative flying stars. This helps absorb shachi or spiritual heaviness. Replace old ones from last month. Never reuse stale salt. Step 3. Sound or bell cleansing. Use a bell, Tibetan bowl, or even clapping to break stagnant energy. Walk clockwise around your space, especially near doorways, mirrors, corners, and cluttered spots. You can chant a mantra like Om Mani Padme Hum, or just say a prayer of release and gratitude. Step 4. Smoke cleanse with incense or herbs. Next, burn sandalwood incense, sage, palo santo, or natural herbs to cleanse the energy. Always start at the front door, then move clockwise around the home. Focus on spaces that feel heavy or where arguments or sadness linger. Open windows slightly to let the negative energy exit. Step 5. Lemon water floor mop. Use a mop bucket with water, lemon juice or slices, and a pinch of salt. Mop your floors from back to front, especially during a full moon or on a good Feng Shui day. This clears emotional buildup and recharges the energy of your home. Step 6. Place your protection items. After cleansing, now's the perfect time to place your Feng Shui cures, crystals, and protective talismans. Black obsidian or tourmaline at entrances. Wealth bowl in the southeast. Few dogs or bagua mirrors if needed, outside only. Salt lamp for soft, steady light in yin corners. These act like guardians and energy anchors before Ghost Month begins. Spiritual cleansing is not just about smoke and salt. It's about clearing emotional residue, making peace with the past, and preparing your space to receive only what is meant for your highest good. Do this a few days before Ghost Month, and you'll feel lighter, safer, and more aligned. In next video, I'll walk you through the full Ghost Month do's and don'ts. So make sure you're subscribed and ready. May your home be your sanctuary. Thank you for watching my beautiful stars.